Hi, I'm Monique Burey-Ballard, and welcome to the Introduction to our CTE from A to Z course. For those of you who are wondering, CTE stands for Career and Technical Education. It has also been known as Vocational Education or Cooperative Education, whereas students work and take classes at the same time. Join me as I explain to you how to be successful in this course. I do want you to choose to either prefer to read in English on the left-hand side or Espanol on the right-hand side. As an introduction, the first thing that I want you to do to use this course is to read the English content on the left or the Spanish on the right. The second one, when students are working on this course, pay attention to the slides with the feather and the owl. Some of the videos may be a little long for your attention, so a quick hack is to pay attention to the slides with the feather in the left-hand corner and the owl in the right-hand corner. The third thing that I want you to pay attention to, so you know how to use this course, is students need to be able to do three things. The first one is to be able to meet the learning standards. I'll show you what I mean in a moment. You will get introduced to and meet the learning standards. I will read the standards to you and dissect or interpret them for you. Your job is to pay attention and listen. You can also participate by defining new terms or key vocabulary. I will explain and define up to 6 terms per video. This is how you will learn the language of business. The next thing students could do to participate is to apply the information that you just have learned. I am going to demonstrate to you how we research and use the standard. There are going to be 5 ways that I show that to you in a moment and in the videos. I want you to apply the information that you would have just learned. Your next steps are going to be to take action, and you're going to do that by following along with either the module participation guide or by participating in other assigned activities. Join me as I show you what you are going to pay attention to in each video. Notice again the feather and the owl. Notice that on the left-hand side will be English and on the right-hand side will be Espanol. You will get a chance to understand what the subject matter is or what the content or main idea or topic is about. I will share with you the name of the course, the season, and which episode you are in. There are up to 13 episodes per season. You will also pay attention to slides that talk about the standards. Notice that we have the feather and the owl. This will be your signal to pay attention to that part when you see the video. I will dissect and explain the standards to you, the academic standards. We will talk about it with depth of knowledge, or DOK. We will also use subject matter from either National Business Education Association, also known as NBEA, or Advanced Career and Technical Education, also known as ACTE. You will also see that each episode is aligned with and talks about an ELA or English Language Arts standard. And finally, there will be a math or mathematics standard for each episode. Your choice is to choose one of those to concentrate on when you have to apply what you've learned. You will now have a total of 6 slides, looking in the lower left-hand corner, 6 slides of vocabulary. You, the student, will pay attention to the vocabulary slides because they will have the feather and the mascot owl. The vocabulary will identify the term. It could be one term, it could be a phrase or words, and the definition. It will be repeated in Spanish. We will be introduced to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 vocabulary terms each episode. The last slide that students will pay attention to or give the most attention to in each video, and we will know that by seeing the feather and the owl icons in the upper corners, is where I will give you more information. I will share more information with you about the topic, where I will demonstrate how to research the standard. No one knows everything, not even me. So when we don't know something, we will use research to bring us reputable, good, valuable, strong, reputable resources to help us learn and apply new information. You remember in English class where we would talk about who, what, when, where, why, and how questions? Well, this more information slide will answer those questions for you. How? By giving you more information. I will choose one of the 6 new terms that we just talked about in each episode. And that is the what. The term is the what we will be talking about. I will talk about who uses the term. I will also talk about when the term or vocabulary would be used. I will talk about where, for example, a famous company, where the new vocabulary term will be used, and why we would use it, or why it can be applied, or why that term is important. I hope that this information gives you a background of what to pay attention to during the course and how you can be successful with it. If you have any questions, reach out to us at SMEC-Studio, and happy learning.